Fighting Eagles versus 627 Elite. 627 Elite basketball. First throw, no good. Blue ball, first throw, air ball. Blue ball. 4.2 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 4.2. 4.2. Championship game, number 14. Good. Rebound, the big man. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 2. Number 2 for 2. Bang, bang. Answers, no good. Rebound, the big man. Jersey number 3. Number 3, no good. Jersey 77 to 14. Ramos. Jersey number 88. Now 5 to shoot. Basket. Jersey number 4. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 2. 3. Number 2 drives. No good. 88 to 14. Jersey number 14. Number 14 goes over move. Almost goes in this ball. 5 to shoot. Jersey 77. 2 points. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Basket. Number 14. Jersey number 14. To number 77. 5 to shoot. 77. What a great move. Jersey number 77. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 2. 3. What a pass. Violation. Jersey number 4. Offensive foul committed by Jersey number 4. 3. First team foul. 627 Elite. Jersey number 77, no good. Rebound by the teammate. Number 77 drives. Number 77 spot a move. Jersey number 3. Clear the ball. Clear the ball with both feet. Jersey number 77. Number 88. 5 to shoot. 88 basket. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. 5 to shoot.
3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. 7 minutes and 27 seconds. 2-point lead by the Fighting Eagles. Jersey number 77. 4-2. Nothing but net.
Defense.
Still. Jersey number 14. Number 14.
Screen.
5 to shoot. Number 14, 5. Short. Jersey number 2. To number 4. Jersey number 4, no good. Rebound. Gets his own rebound. Number 4. Yes, sir. 2 points. Number 14.
Yeah!
77.
Defense.
2. Screen by number 3. Jersey number 3 makes his own red basket.
Oras.
Jersey number 14 to 77. 5 to shoot. To number 88.
Rebound.
3.
Foul. Woo!
No basket, but there's a foul. Second U18 male category. Bonus shot for jersey number 88. Basket. Jersey number 4 on the rebound. Number 2.
Defense.
Number 2, fires for a team. No good. Number 77.
Oras!
Pass to
Oras!
number 14. Number 14 takes the shoes. No good.
Oras!
Number 4. Jersey number 4 to number 3. The big man. The big man. No good.
Foul!
14. Clearing the ball. Jersey number 77. Now speed move. 77 fakes and drives. No good. Gets his own rebound. What a pass. Number 14. Made away.
Foul!
Good. Number 3. Jersey number 3.
Oh, Travis!
Traveling violation. What a defense. Fighting Eagles. Jersey number 77. Number 77 14. Jersey number 2. That's a foul. 13
Defense!
foul. Team Fighting Eagles.
Defense! Defense!
Jersey number 2, guarded by number 14. Jersey number 2. Guarded by number 14. Steal!
Oh!
Number 14. Number 14, flash!
Ow!
Rebound number 2. Jersey number 2 to number 3. The big
Come
man. The big
on!
man uses his body.
Three
There's the big
seconds.
man. No good. Rebound number 4.
No, 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 no.
Starting court penalty.
Wala, wala, wala.
Basket! 2 points!
Bola!
Fighting Eagles warning for penalty. Jersey number 77, what a move! No good. Just a 4-point lead for my Fighting Eagles. Jersey number 2.
Defense!
Number 2 drives. Number 2
Wala, 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 wala.
in and out. Number 18 to number 14. 77. Number 77. Step back. No good.
Hold!
Rebound
Hold!
88. Number 88.
Foul!
No good, but there's a foul. Time out! Team 6-7 the lead. Time remaining 3 seconds. Official score 12-8. 4-point lead by the Fighting Eagles. Jersey number 88. No good. Rebound number 3. Jersey number 77. 77 drives fake. 77 fires basket. Jersey number 2. Number 2 passes
Oh my
to
God.
jersey
Wala,
number 4.
wala, wala,
Number
wala,
4.
wala, wala.
No good.
Rebound,
Rebound
rebound.
77. Flying highest Eagles. Jersey number 77. 3 to shoot. 88. What a move! Gets his own rebound now. Basket! Jersey number 2. This is really the battle for the championship. Jersey number 14 to number 77. 14. No good. Rebound P. Number 3. To number 4. Jersey number 4, 5 to shoot. Jersey number 4 uses the glass, no good. Gets his own rebound, basket.
Oras!
Jersey 77 to number 14, 5 to shoot. Number 14, fake, spins, fires, no good. Rebound number 2. Number 2, crossover move. Number 3, basket and goal. Penalty! Team Fighting Eagles, both teams, no more timeout. Fighting Eagles. Fighting Eagles on penalty while 6-7 elite committed 4 team fouls. Bonus shot for jersey number 3. 2 shots, 2 shots. 2 shots. First throw. No good. Two shots. It's already penalty. Last shot for jersey number 3.
Ay! Ow!
Fighting Eagles. No good. First throw, no good. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. We are witnessing the championship match. U18 male category, rebound number 88.
Oras!
5 to shoot. Jersey number 88 drives. In and out, number 4. Jersey number 4. Number 4 to number 3. What a pass. Number 3, basket. Jersey
Hold!
number 77. 5 to shoot. Blocked. Same ball, 1.8 seconds. 1.8 seconds.
Tira!
Shot clock violation. Green ball. Just a 3-point lead. For Fighting Eagles, 3-point lead. Jersey number 2, screen by number 3. Jersey number 2, miscommunication almost. Number 3, 5 to shoot. Number 3, basket! Jersey number 77. Will the table turn? Jersey number 77, no good. Number 3, clearing the ball. Number 3 to number 2. Screen number 2 for 2. No good. Rebound 14 to number 77.
Sure ball!
88. Number 88 just basket. Chooses the glass.
Defense!
Jersey number 4 for 2. No good. 14.
Bola!
Jersey number 77.
Screen!
5 to shoot. Screen by number 88. Number 77. Fakes number 14. Basket. 2 points. Jersey
Defense!
number 2. Number 2. What a move. Same ball. 7-second shot clock. 7 seconds.
Defense!
7-second shot clock. Jersey number 4. Steal. Jersey number 77. Pass to number 14. Number 14, wide open.
Rebound!
Number 3.
Rebound!
Jersey number 3. Almost. Number 14.
Oras!
To number 77. From downtown. No good. Number 14. Fakes. No good. Number 3. On the rebound. Pass to number 4. To number 2. Number 2. Air ball. Good. Jersey number 77. Number 14. Nice pass to Aaron. Basket. 50.5 seconds remaining. In 50 seconds, we'll witness who will become the champion of the U18 male category. Will it be the Fighting Eagles?
Oras!
Will it be the 627 Elite? 4 seconds. 77. Bang! Number 4 to number 2. 30 seconds. Foul.
Dalawang
77.
free throw pa.
Penalty. That's your 9th team foul. 9th team foul. 28.2 seconds. 28.2. 19-12 in favor of Fighting Eagles. Last row for jersey number 2.
Joey, rebound!
No good. Jersey number 88.
Yay!
25
Oras!
seconds. Jersey number 14.
Yay!
Basket! Congratulations! Cameraman, Mr. Cameraman. Mr. Cameraman. Both teams, please remain on court 1. We'll have your photos taken.